Hey, what is up, D-Mans? It's D-Man Guy, and today I'm going to be reacting to YTP, Purse Train is Feeling His Butt Upon Insanity by Driver 3 Joe. Now, if you haven't heard of Driver 3 Joe, he is this reaction channel that mainly reacts to YTPs, I think. I don't know, I haven't really looked at his channel that much, but that's all I know about him. But anyway, I'm bringing this up because he's also a YTP reactor. I just said that. But anyway, hopefully this YTP is going to be quite funny. With that, let's begin. The music tells me that something's probably not going to be that good. Wait. Hold on. What is going on? Like, what this music? What just happened?
Percy puffed grumpily into
Walmart. What the fuck is this rubbish?
I feel
I don't know.
upon.
It's a cheap Walmart toy. Don't worry about it.
Thomas was
Singing in the rain.
Okay.
Thomas was confused. No upon
What?
Too much work put upon. What has Percy's been put upon? Poor old Percy. Percy is being put. He collected flour from the foundry, metal from the yards, coal from the mills, fuel from the quarries, and rock from the depot.
No rock.
Then he delivered it
What?
all.
From what?
Fuel from the quarries and the rock from the depot. Then
What?
he
Are there captions? Rock from the deco. Okay. Deco. Okay.
delivered it all to the docks.
The what?
You know what? I'm taking this. I'm
Peter
taking this.
Griffin.
Few moments later.
Oh, God. Oh, that's not good.
Fuck you. Suck my balls.
We want Thomas to.
What?
Who's this dirty
Oh
little
my
engine?
God.
What did you call me?
Dirty little engine.
Don't call me Dirty Percy.
So many things in my nose.
See what's been.
Good. Fuck 'em.
Percy, you've done a bad day's work. Now get fucked. The trucks
Whoa.
are stuck on the fucking mechanism. All they need is a hard shove.
Kinky.
No.
charged-
No. Oh my God.
Not good enough.
Percy charged.
No. Wait.
You died. I like that.
Wait.
Get
Patrick.
out of here fast.
Siren Head. What?
The school's collapsing.
What?
There's a barrier by the track that might save us.
I don't know if this is just the YTP or the Thomas the Tank Engine show itself, but I didn't know that show was so dark. Meaning like so like dramatic with its, I don't know.
We must help them immediately. Immediately.
Now, not after breakfast, not after CSI. Now!
Driver told me how brave you were, Percy, and I'm ashamed of you. As a reward, you will be reviewed by paying Turks. Oh, fuck you, sir. Percy's green coat glistened in the sun. I'm sorry we fucked you, Percy, said Thomas. You were certainly put upon
My cock.
what?
When?
Now!
I love that face.
Certainly put upon
My
Hold on.
cock.
what?
When?
Now!
That face. I love that face. No, we're not gonna save you. Is it over? Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, hopefully you enjoyed this poop even more, and if I had to rate this YTP, it'd be a 7.2 out of 10. As I say for most YTPs I react to, this was a good YTP, but in all honesty, there's just nothing to really complain about. Like, it has a good time length, it's funny, and it has some good editing, so therefore it's genuinely a good YTP. But anyway, that is it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and comment down below. With that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.